I am here at the water sports area managed by Tinkesh Ability Foundation. The founder himself is a person with disability, and his organization has partnered with the International Purple Fest to make water sports fully inclusive. As you can see on the board behind me, any person with disability can take part here. We use this boat to go right into the middle of the sea, and from there, people even try paragliding. It's such a wonderful initiative that truly encourages and empowers persons with disabilities. Right now, we're sailing in the middle of the sea. It was hot earlier, but now it's cool and breezy, the perfect weather. Let's see what happens next. This is paragliding. You have to hold it carefully and make sure you don't fall off. Now, where I'm standing, there's a new and very interesting game called Boccia. It's an inclusive sport designed for people with severe physical disabilities. Some players here don't have arms, so they use their mouth or a special headgear to roll the ball. Others with limited movement play using their head or special sticks. A referee measures how close each ball is to the target, and that's how points are scored. It's a highly competitive and fascinating sport that proves how creativity and accessibility can be open to everyone. Now let's talk about something we all face challenges at bank. Many deaf people, including me, often struggle to understand interest rates or various financial schemes. But there's good news. Union Bank of India has made banking accessible for deaf customers. Inside the bank, all the information is already available in sign language videos. ISH News has partnered with Union Bank to make this possible. You can see videos on different schemes, interest rates, and other details right here, like shown on the screen. At this moment, I'm joined by the organizer of the International Purple Fest 2025. He's a person with visual impairment, yet he's managed this entire event wonderfully. I asked him, compared to last year's 2024 event, what's different this year? Which one is grander? He replied beautifully, saying it's not about comparing sizes, but about growth and continuity. That each year should be bigger, more inclusive, and more impactful, with a variety of events and greater participation from persons with disabilities. He also added that by partnering with mainstream organizations, the fest creates awareness not only among people but also persons with disabilities. Do you think this space is very important for creating awareness amongst the general public? He said, yes, this International Purple Fest is a great space for generating awareness on a large scale because we've partnered with mainstream organization which creates awareness not only among persons with disabilities but also among the general purpose public. Yet he's not alone. There are many dedicated people working together towards the same goal of inclusion. Thank you for your time. We at ISH News hope to continually partner with Purple Fest every year. We don't know whether next year we'll be in Goa or somewhere else. Let's see. See you again. Now I'm here with Sadia. Her name sign is this. Where do you live? I live in Panjim, Goa. Sadia is an incredible deaf artist. Let me show you some of her artwork. Her kind of artwork, which a lot of deaf people do, but it's very incredible. And she has high sales, not amongst the deaf community, but also amongst hearing people and even celebrities. There's a man who's been buying from us most of my artwork, Moons, Mog from 2 years ago. Continuously, he purchases from me. Her artwork has become so popular that she even does stitching work, and there's creativity in everything she shares. The reason I'm sharing this because you would see photos of chief ministers or public figures featured on banners and posters across city, but so is her artwork. Her artwork has been featured across the city in Goa. And being a deaf artist, so proud of her.